Uterine cancer symptoms. Start by knowing your risk factors. You can get endometrial cancer anytime, but it's most common between ages 45-74. Being overweight, having diabetes, and taking estrogen-only hormones ups your risk. So does going through menopause later than normal or having gotten your first period at an extra young age. But the most important thing you can do, really, is to know the warning signs. If you catch endometrial cancer early, it's highly curable. Here are some worth bringing to your doc's attention. 1. Vaginal bleeding you can explain. This is the most common sign that cancer's on board in your uterus, says Lee. In fact, abnormal bleeding happens in 90% of endometrial cancer cases. If you're postmenopausal and all of a sudden you find yourself needing panty protection again, that's not normal. Women after menopause should not have further bleeding or even spotting. 2. Discharge. It's normal to have some discharge from your vagina, but if the amount or color seems different than usual, or if you start spotting between periods and you never used to, it can't hurt to get checked out. If you've recently gone through menopause, you should also know that discharge isn't common after your periods stop for good, so if you're still seeing some, let your doctor know. 3. Pelvic pain that won't go away. Not everyone with endometrial cancer will have pain, but it can show up for some, especially if your cancer has been around for a while. If the uterus has become enlarged due to the cancer, you may experience pain or cramping. 4. Changes in your bathroom habits. Does pressure in your pelvis have you heading for the ladies' room more often? Your bladder and bowels can be a good indicator of uterine problems, and that includes cancer. Cancer might make you need to go more often, have trouble getting urine out, or cause pain when you do go. You might also notice blood in your bowel movements, or it may hurt when you try to pass stool. 5. Dropping pounds for no reason. If you're experiencing this symptom, it may mean your body's been dealing with the problem for a long time. Weight loss is rare unless it's more advanced cancer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.